Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I am going to be trying out some more lock curls, and I'm going to be using these spiral, I don't know if you want to call them spirals. I do. I want to call them spirals. Spiral rollers, spongy type rollers. They call them sticks here, but I'm going to be trying these out. This is my first time using these in locks. I did have some that I used to use when I was loose natural, and I cannot remember if I liked them or not. I don't know. But we're going to try these out. So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, fam. First off, I want to say welcome if this is your first time with me. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. I made it to 1,000, so I didn't want to 1,000 subscribers, so I didn't want that to pass without saying thank you so much for rocking with me. I really, really appreciate it. You guys know how much I love connecting with you. So cheers to you. I'm having a little passion fruit tea here. Cheers to you, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get on into it. Like I said, this will be my first time. I got these at Five Below. And if you've seen my other videos, you saw me talking about them for a while. And I finally went and got them. I actually did a vlog. I tried out a vlog for you guys as well. So I'll link that above. And I go to Five Below in the vlog. But I'm not sure how many I'll need. There's 6 in each pack. And I got 4 packs, but I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. We will see. I'm also going to use this girl. My daughter's over here making outfits out of my pants. It actually looks really good, but hot mess. Totally messing up my pants though. I'm going to use this oil I stole from my sister. It's a blend. I liked the way it smelled. It has sesame, gooseberries, rose herbs, coconut oil, and all kinds of herbs and fruits. I'm going to use a little bit of this because my hair is slightly, I don't even want to say it's dry. It's just not as moisturized as I want it to be. So I'm going to go in with this spray and then that oil, and then we'll get started. You saw I really went in with my water and not so much with my oil, but my water, because last time I did curls and I did not saturate my hair, they came out looser, not as defined, and I really want these defined. Plus, I usually sleep overnight in them, and I'm not doing that now. This is the morning, so I'm just going to let them dry. It's a pretty warm day, so I'm going to let them air dry. So I really want some, I want to make sure it's saturated. Like I said, I don't have very many of these, so I'm just going to grab a few. I'm not sure how many I need, but I'm going to grab a few. She's back, of course, doing rollers and things up in her head. You're so silly. I need even more water here, so there we go. Full. This one's kind of longer than everybody else, so I'm going to leave that one there. So like this. There we go. Okay, here's how I am looking. And these are already on my nerves. I can feel like a pressure on my head. I don't like hard or heavy things in my head or tension. You guys know that. So the rag curls are perfect for me. And that is why I'm doing this during the day and not sleeping overnight in them. I sleep overnight in my rag curls. But these, I can just, I can tell that would be such a pain, literally. And they're already bothering me. But at any rate, I am going to let them dry, and then I will come back and we'll see how it's looking. Okay, you guys, I am sitting here in my car waiting for my daughter, and I really just cannot stand my hair anymore, my head. The rollers are, I didn't put them in tight, but I feel like this pulling and itching, and I just cannot stand that kind of stuff in my head, like I said. So it's only been 3 hours, but I'm like, you know, do I want the style and the curls or do I want to be comfortable? So at this point, I just feel like I want to be comfortable. After this class, I take her back home for a couple hours and then we're back out again. So I was going to try and wait till before then, you know, a few more hours, like 3 more hours to take them down, but it's just really bothersome. So whatever happens, happens. I'm just going to go ahead and take them down. All right, you guys, this is how I'm looking. You saw me taking them down in the car. I am back now. And, you know, for sure, they needed more time, especially these back ones. So I don't have any more curlier than I wanted. Definitely no spiral curls. But I'm okay with that because my head was hurting. And I'd rather be comfortable than, you know, get the style right. So I'll try again another time, not with those rollers though. Now I remember why I stopped using them as a natural. It must have been because they just bothered my head too much. So back to my rag curls, and then I'm trying to think of what I can do to get a more springier curl. So I'll figure that out, but it can't be those guys or anything like that. It's just too much for me. So anywho, yeah, the back, there's nothing really to show you back here. There's a lot of body, but not much curl. A lot of body though. And I prefer that over my straight, you know, hanging locks. So anywho, if you have any ideas for me of what I could do for a different type curl than my rag curl, let me know down below. If I haven't already, I'll link above to my rag curls if you haven't seen those. Love, love, love those so much. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again in another few days.